Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will learn how we can create combined condition with if statement. In our previous session also, we discussed various type of if condition, where we discussed how to write relational condition, sign condition, name condition, negation condition. So in the continuation of same, today we are going to talk about combined condition. Okay, so as its name suggests, combined condition means we are running two command at a time, two condition at a time. Okay, so whenever you are implementing two condition at a time with a file with a if statement, then that statement is known as combined conditional statement. Okay, so this is very important statement because here we can check more than one command in the same statement. Now some of you may be thinking that we know the else if or elif command, right? So we can use that. No, it's not that thing, because there we are using different statement in order to check the condition, right? But today we are going to see the way through which we can simply run one single statement, and inside that we can check two conditions together. Clear? So to make it more easy, I have already created one program, so I'll quickly walk you through this program and we will discuss each and everything like syntax and all. And once you are comfortable with it, then we will execute this thing and also see like how it is working for the different type of output. Clear? So yeah, I think now we are good to start the session. So I'm taking option 2 here for uh, taking this program in edit mode. All right, so now we will start from first line itself and we will talk each and every line mentioned here. So first thing what we are doing here is we are initiating the identification division. So you can see this is the identification division. In this identification division, we have stored two things, which is program ID, which is denoting the program name. You can see test PGM, and then we have author name, which is Tech Sharmit. So although like we have discussed this thing, what is divisions, why we are writing divisions in previous session, why we kept this space as blank, okay, why we are starting comment from this specific line. So these all things have been discussed, right? But still I would repeat these things in a short manner so that you can so that you have some idea regarding this, how we are using it. Okay, so fine. So identification division is a division which provides the information related to program identity. Okay, so you can see program ID is denoting program name, so it is a program identity. Then we have author name, again it is the program identity. We can, through this you can identify who has written this code, right? So this block is known as identification division. Now we have line number 5 to line number 7. These three lines is a commented line. So you can see these are the comment line, and here we have stored one command just for the introduction purpose, if conditional statement combined condition. So this is the topic of this session, so we just showed the topic. Okay, now below to this we have data division block, and after initiating data division we have declared the working storage section. Now what is working storage section? Whenever we are going to declare a variable for a program that we are going to use throughout the program, then we will declare it under working storage section. So this is the variable that we have kept under working storage section. For now we are just using one variable, but let's say if you want to declare more variable, you can declare in below this working storage section. Okay, fine. Now we will talk about the variable declaration. Although this is also a separate topic and we have already covered it, but still I'll repeat it just for those person who are directly watching this session. So if you break down this entire declaration into 5 parts, you will see the first part is indicating level number. So this is a level number. Then we have data name. What is data name? Whenever we want to access this variable throughout the program, then in that case we will use the name age. Okay, later on we have picture clause. PIC is the one part which is denoting picture clause, and this is a data type declaration. So here it is defined as 9 of 3. What do you mean by 9? 9 means numeric and 3 means it can hold up to 3-digit value. Okay, and then we have value clause which holds the value, or you can say which is used to initialize the value. So let me make it as 16 for now. Okay, so this is a optional clause for every data type, but for this example we need value, that's why we have initialized the value as 16. So this is the entire declaration of our variable where we have defined the variable age, which can hold up to 3-digit numeric value, and right now it stores the value as 16. Clear? So this is the variable declaration. Now we are going to use this variable for the program in the further lines, right? Okay. Below to this we have initiated the procedure division. So whatever the thing we are writing below to this is considered as our main logic, and from line number 15th we have started the conditional statement, combined conditional statement. Okay, so let's see what we are doing here. So firstly we initiated the if block. So if age greater than equal to 15, so this is the one condition. Okay, this is one condition, age is greater than equal to 15. After that we have written one operator. This is a logical operator, AND. Now why we use AND operator? AND means whatever the condition written prior to this or after this, both should be true. Only in that case it will execute this part. Okay, clear? Like if you see that there is AND operator used in a condition, that means whatever the condition written around this AND operator should return true. Okay, so the first condition is age is greater than equal to 15, it should be true. Then we have and after that we have age is lesser than equal to 20. So both conditions should be true. If it returns true result, then only it will display this message, which is age is between 15 and 20. Okay, so I just put this message as per the condition, because here you can see age should be greater than or equal to 15 and age should be lesser than or equal to 20. So when both condition is true, that means it is a age is a between 15 and 20, and then we have end if. Clear? Okay, below to this we are checking for age. If age is okay, so this part is completed, and this is called combined condition, where we are using AND logical operator. And the meaning is clear, like whenever we are using AND logical operator, then in that case all the conditions should be true, otherwise it will not return any error. Let's say if one condition is true and one is false, still it will not return output. Okay, so it is mandatory for this part, like both conditions should be true. Then we will check the second combined conditional example, where we are using if age is 0 or age is less than 5, then display age is invalid. So in this condition, any of the condition, if any of the condition is true, it will return the output. Doesn't matter about the second condition. Okay, so if let's say if age is 0, then it will simply print age is invalid, or if age is less than 5, then again it will print the message age is invalid. So if any of the condition is true, then it will return the output. But in above case, both conditions should be true. Here any one can be true and it would return the output. Clear? So this is called if conditional combined statement with or block, and this is a if conditional combined statement with AND block, AND operator, sorry, AND operator or operator. And then we are simply stopping the program by stop run. Clear? So I think now syntax wise we are okay. So let's see what will come for this particular value. We have stored 16. So firstly it will go to this line and check age is greater than equal to 15. Yes, 16 is greater than equal to 15. Okay, then it will check for second condition without displaying it. Okay, because second condition is also important. So it will check age is less than equal to 20. Yes, 16 is less than equal to 20. So both condition is true. So it will print the message age is between 15 and 20. Okay, all right. Now similarly, let's say okay, for now just go with the 16 only. Now here it will check age is equal 0. No, it is not. Age is less than 5. No, it is not. So it will simply skip this part and go to directly stop run. So let's compile this and see the output, and you can see age is between 15 and 20. This is the message, okay, which is expected, right? All right, now I'll make it as 0. Okay, just to show you the second part. So in this case age is greater than equal to 15. No, it is not. one condition is false, then it will not even check for the second condition, it will directly skip this part. Even second will also return true, but if any of the condition is false, it will simply go to end if. Then we are checking age is 0. Yes, it is 0, so it will print the message age is invalid. Let's try to compile it and see the output. You can see age is invalid. Similarly, like if age is less than 5, or in that case also it will return the age is invalid. Let's say 2. Okay, so first block will not work because both condition is false. Second block will return this output, which is age is invalid. Clear? So I hope this syntax is clear and this conditional combined conditional is clear to all of you. Mainly we discussed about two logical operator, and you should know about the difference between both operator, because this might be an interview question for you as well. Okay, alright, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.